How to set up your Hinge profile. Well, hello everyone, welcome back into the channel. In this video today, let me guide you through the steps on how you can set up Hinge profile. Well, to set up Hinge profile, once you have the application downloaded and once you log in, entering in your phone number, and once you sign up, right, you'll get an interface somewhat like this right away. So you want to tap on enter your basic info and proceed to enter in your name here, your first name and last name. Right, once you have done so, tap on next. So you want to proceed to enter in your email here, and then it'll send you a verification code. You want to proceed to get that code from you. Tap on done and tap on next. Now once you have gone through the verification, proceed to enter in your date of birth. So first your date and then month and the year ultimately, and then tap on yes and then tap on confirm. Then you can either enable or disable notifications. I'll allow the notifications for now here, and then you can proceed to add more details. And now you need to proceed to set up your account here. Where do you live? You can proceed to find your address and tap on next. And then what are your pronouns? He, him, and such. So I'll select he here and him and his. So also not visible on profile. Tap on next. Which gender describes you most? So man for now. What's your sexuality? Select your sexuality. And so you'll have to go and fill up these basic information to set up your Hinge profile. It is simple and easy. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe.